'Cause you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. What have you gotta lose?
Dati, trip-trip lang.
You're giving me life, baby.
Payat pa tayo.
It's all in the way
Thank you
you
sa pagmamahal. Mag-diet na tayo.
Ang matanongin ako sa akin. Bakit ako masakay? Masakay?
Kasi ikaw ang pinakamatanda dito eh. Hindi ka ba nakakahalata?
Going the distance.
Ayun nga, salamat din sa pagmamahal at
Couple of people.
matibay na relasyon at pagmamahal.
I could be something.
Yan, basta mahal na mahal kita. Kahit anong mangyari,
Never down when I'm down with
dito pa din ako.
'Cause you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. What have you gotta lose? And you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. It's all in the way you move. It's not complicated. It's not complicated. This feeling is hopeful.
Pag nakikita ko siya, parang lagi kaming kakain sa labas. Food is like yun eh.
'Cause you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. What have you gotta lose? And you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. It's all in the way you move.
Hindi, sabi ko lang, I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. Ganyan ang pag-ibig ko. Sa hirap mo saya'y makakasama mo. Ako'y iyong iyo. Wala nang papalit. Mananatili ka sa puso ko. Yeah! Hindi ko na Dati, may trip-trip na lamang.
'Cause you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. What have you gotta lose? And you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. It's all in the way you move. 'Cause you're giving me life, baby. It's alright. What have you gotta lose? And you're giving me life, baby. It's alright.
Fran,
What have you gotta lose?
buo ba ang iyong loob at tapat sa iyong damdamin na makasal kay Jubel?
Opo.
When you looked at me, I barrel fell to my knees.
Naiyak ko.
You were stuck in my head.
Okay, ikaw naman Jubel, tapat ka ba sa iyong sariling damdamin at kalooban sa pagpapakasal mo kay Fran?
It's in the way that you talk out the side of your mouth. Girl, you're driving me wild. Yeah, I'm falling right now. But it's the look in your eyes when you look back in mine.
Sana yung pagsasama ninyong dalawa, mas lalo pa niyong tibayan. And good luck, and sana yung mga anak ninyo, mas mapalaki niyo at mapag-aral din ninyo. Huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa. Jubel, sana makuha mo rin yung pangarap mo. Huwag kayong titigil dahil sa right time, makukuha ninyo.
When the sun is just right. Oh, it's the look in your eyes. It's the look in your
Masaya. Tapos ay medyo kinakabahan dahil first time nga talaga. Yun. Yan, sobrang saya. Yun, di bali nagpapasalamat nga ako at kami pa rin hanggang sa huli. At mas matatag. Yun, basta strong lang kami hanggang sa huli.
too fast. It's like I saw the light for the very first time. It's in the way that you smile when I got
Yun nga, maraming salamat sa lahat ng dumating na pagtulong sa atin. Naito pa rin tayo. Naging isang matatag at matibay na pamilya.
Ito na. After 9 years, ito na yung gusto natin. Kanya, sa atin. May kasal na. Yun lang, mahal na mahal.
Dati, jowa-jowa lang. Tapos naging matagal ang ating relasyon. Hanggang dati, sinabi ko nga sa'yo na papakasalan kita. Medyo na postpone. At ngayon lang uli natuloy. Na ito na. Tuloy na.
It's in the way that you smile when I call you mine. When the sun is just right. Oh, it's the look in your eyes. It's the look in your eyes.
Ito ang first kiss nyo na legal na mag-asawa. May practice na naman siguro kayo, di ba? Palakpakan mo natin ang bagong kasal, Mr. and Mrs. Yupran and Jubel Conde.